Welcome to Math Magic Concept. In this session we are going to do addition through number line. We will also learn to do mental maths. Animals of the forest are playing. Turn by turn, they toss the ball on their bats until it falls. Each player gets 2 turns, and Banu Rabbit adds their points. But do you know how he adds? Banu adds on the snake. To add 14 and 7, Banu stands on 14. He jumps 7 steps forward. He reaches 21. By now you would have realized that this technique is nothing but adding through number line. Let's recap how we did it in grade 1. How many apples you will have altogether when you add 5 apple with 4 apples?
First I write the sum, 5 apples plus 4 apples to be added. Step 2, take the number line. First number is 5, so move the pointer to 5 on the number line. Second number is 4, so we shall jump 4 times forward, from the pointer, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have landed at number 9 on the number line. So 9 is the result. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9.
Excellent. When we learnt counting till 50, we had given you the snake number line till 50 for you to use. Similarly, when we learnt counting till 100, we had given you the snake number line till 100. All these will come handy to do the problems in this chapter. Animals continued to play the game of toss the ball. Here are the scores they got. You have to take up the role of Banu, and declare who won the game, and who lost.
Let's calculate the score for deer first. I have to add 16 and 7. Between 16 and 7, 16 is the bigger number. So I place the pointer at 16 on the number line. Then I jump 7 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have landed on number 23. So 16 plus 7 is equal to 23.
I will calculate the score for the monkey. I have to add 18 and 10. Between 18 and 10, 18 is the bigger number. So I place the pointer at 18 on the number line. Then I jump 10 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have landed on number 28. So 18 plus 10 is equal to 28.
Mr. Wiz, when we have bigger numbers, can't we count in tens first and then ones? I mean we can jump directly from 18 to 28.
Yes, that is a well-thought shortcut. For that you must be familiar with counting in tens. Here are some practice series to make you comfortable with counting in tens. Say it aloud.
13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and 93.
15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 95.
18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, and 98.
Let's take a break now. Keep practicing the counting in tens and number line. We shall continue with this problem in next session.